How to connect your PC to Wi-Fi without Ethernet cable and without adapter using phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can connect our PC to Wi-Fi without Ethernet cable and without using any kind of adapter, just using our phone. So let's begin with the process on how we can do it. So first of all, you need to connect your phone and your laptop using a USB port. After using it, you'll be connected, both of your devices will be connected with each other. So you're just gonna head over to the main settings of a device of your phone, and you're just gonna go to the connection section, and here you're gonna go to Wi-Fi and connect to one of the network. After you have successfully connected to one of the network, you just get back, and under connections again, you'll be able to find different options here. You're just gonna look up for the option called mobile hotspot and tethering. Just tap on it, and here also you'll be finding different options like Bluetooth tethering and USB tethering. We're gonna turn on this option called USB tethering. Just turn it on. After that, you'll be receiving a confirmation message on your laptop or your phone. Just tap on OK, and your Wi-Fi should be connected successfully with your PCs. So therefore, in this way, you can connect your PC to Wi-Fi without Ethernet cable and without adapter using phone. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.